Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Magnifica XS espresso machine. It comes to us with a problem with the flow. It was like, when I tested I found out the flow meter, this one is broken, it's not working. So I just replaced it. And let's go ahead and test the machine, make espresso shot on it. That's good. It's pulling really great shot. Look at this thick crema and 3 layers of coffee. So let's test also the hot water. That is it. It works perfect. And let me hot the steamer. It takes a little bit until it gets hot. That's great. The machine now functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.